There's two cars in this shed, each has a hoist, both of them are blown up because of that fucking idiot. It's the magnetic drain plug.
I reckon it's too bad.
Yeah. It's got a fucking piston worth of metal on it.
It's not that bad, man.
Yeah.
Seen worse.
Put it back in. Yo! Welcome back to the channel. This is built by Blake. This is Dean, of which is the king of blowing cars up. Case one. Actually, this is a good point. Okay, there's two cars in this shed. Each has a hoist. Both of them are blown up because of that fucking idiot. Okay? So if you guys have been following, you would have heard, seen, felt the knock coming out of this car because the last time Dean drove it, well, we knew it was coming. It was always going to go like this. It sounds a little bit like this. Sounds good. Just doing a weight reduction piston delete. So obviously that's no good for your car. This whole car this is step one of turn this car into a fucking beast. For now, engine comes out, everything else is kind of as is. We've taken the wheels off for the sake of it.
Pull the brakes off.
Yeah, oh that's true. Yeah, we've got to pull the brakes off. Yep. So, yeah, I don't know. I've never pulled an engine out. Dean's got plenty of experience, so we'll go from here. Cool it out.
Wiring through under the gearbox pops and rip the done, man. They're more sit here and drink beer looking at it.
Oh, say so. 3 is the one that has notorious.
This is an EJ22.
Oh,
this is a 22B motor.
They are the shittest looking engine ever. The best looking Subaru engine bay I've ever seen is the one that has all the optioned factory covers, like, because it just covers everything. Like, it looks f***ing dog shit.
There are shit looking engines.
Yeah. So, update, coolant is drained, injectors are disconnected, everything's disconnected really. Only things left to go is the bell housing bolts from underneath, turbo bolts from underneath, and then we just go and pop it out. So, jump underneath it now and we'll have a look and then we'll undo it all and then we'll rip it out. It's go time, baby! We're just gonna drop the oil out of it for the sake of doing it now. All bolts have been undone. Engine mounts just got a... Are you undone the engine mounts?
They're already undone.
Engine mounts are undone, so now crack the gearbox away from the engine and then crane this bad boy out. It's the magnetic drain plug.
I reckon it's too bad.
Yeah. It's got a fucking piston worth of metal on it.
It's not that bad, man.
Yeah.
Seen worse.
Put it back in. Fill it up.
We'll just change the bearings on the rod.
While we are here, Do not forget to take your clutch fork pin out. Haha! Otherwise, you'll be hanging off the back of the motor and it'll look like this.
12 seconds later.
That is bad. And hot.
Nothing's up. Red.
It's binding on itself.
Not breaking anything. Straight up.
Yeah, that's it. Because I remember when you take the alternator off, you bolt that back down, and that's the point. I reckon you need to come down a bit.
What's holding it?
Well, it's hard to say whether it's just not coming out or...
2 hours later.
Oh shit. Yeah. I'm gonna pull this whole thing forward and it's just gonna come off. Yep, stop there. Stop.
Shouldn't have to do that.
Yeah, where is it? You just like doing things the hard way?
Yeah. Fucking love it. Get the fucking oxy.
What did you do there, mate?
Undid all the bolts.
Why did you just fucking undo them all in the first place?
Should have.
I don't know why you did. Still a bell housing bolt in there. Yeah. Oh yeah! Woo!
That's how it's meant to do it.
I gave you the hot tip to take the clutch fork pin out. Also, really good idea to take all the bell housing bolts out. Makes it lots easier. But she's out. Look at it. Happy.
Yeah, I'm real happy.
He's happy.
Oh, that's real good. That's stripped.
So that's one engine out. Voila. Alright, so that's where we're going to leave it for this episode, because taking an engine out actually turned out to be a full day job just because we were trying to rip on a bell housing bolt that was still in. So yeah, next time we will be looking at taking off the rotors and taking out the box, because that's going to get reconditioned as well, and then moving forward, well, you guys will see what's coming. It's going to be sick. So hang around, thanks for watching, catch you on the next one, bye.
Ever since you shut the door on everything we knew, you're too late for love.